Today we're going to talk about how to invest in penny stocks and is it possible to make money with penny stocks. So let's get started. Many people these days are talking about penny stocks, and recently I received an email where a wonderful lady said, recently my fiance passed away and he was investing in penny stocks, and right now I do not know what to do. So what should I do right now? And many people are interested in trading penny stocks. So let's look at this today. That's what I want to do. First of all, what are penny stocks? Penny stocks are stocks that are being traded at only a few cents. And the idea here is that they are going from 10 cents to, let's say, 30 cents or $1, right? So that they have an explosive move. What I found is that often penny stocks are a scam. Well, not necessarily a scam, but part of a pump and dump scheme. So let me show you what that is, and let's take a look at some penny stocks here together. I want to look for the best penny stock picks. Let's just take a look at this together. Best penny stock picks. When we Google this, look at this. Oh my gosh. Best penny stock picks. 17 out of the last 19 stocks rose. Pennypicks.net. So let's go there together. And you see, there's a website coming up that says it's tougher than ever to locate explosive penny stock alerts, but fortunately, they're here to the rescue. You just have to enter your email address. And when you look below, there is some of the penny stocks that are actually perform. And they talk about MJNA that went from 9 cents to 48 cents. So that's a 432% gain. VMRI from 205 to 605. Look at this. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Now you know what they say. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Let's check these out together. Let's actually go to the charts and look at MJNA. Medical marijuana, of course. What can possibly go wrong when you invest in pot stocks these days, right? Let's take a look at this. And so what they said is that this went from 9 cents to 48 cents. Right now it is trading at 8 cents. Okay, well, apparently we missed the move. So let's take a look at this. Let's zoom out a little bit. And when we do, oh, look at this. Here is what we find. All right, we have to go way back until we see that it went from 9 cents to 48 cents. Look at this. And we have to go back all the way to 2013. This year is 2013. But let's take a look at this. So how does this work? Well, first of all, it was trading at 9 cents. You're signing up on this website with your email address. So they're gathering thousands and 10,000s of email addresses. By the way, did you notice that these guys were an ad, right? So they're paying for your email address. So you're entering the email address here. Then you're getting an email that says, hey, MJNA is about to explode. And what happens if suddenly 10,000s of people are getting this email and maybe some of them are buying? What's happening then? Well, as you can see, quickly the prices go all the way up. Look at this. One day for this explosive move. What do you think? Who has bought this before they send out the email? You got it, right? Often those people who are sending out the email and saying, oh, this is a stock, they already have it. What do you think happens? What do they do? Is everybody keeps buying it. They're selling it. And this is why quickly it goes right back to where it started. So as you can see, yes, it does go from 9 cents to 47 cents, as they said, but it quickly goes right back here to 11 cents. Then they send another email and boom, it shoots up again. So what do these guys do here? They buy, send out the email, and while it is going up, this is when they sell. And immediately it is going down. So this is what it's called, a pump and dump scheme. Let's take a look at another one that they're recommending here. Don't get me wrong. Okay, so penny stock picks, you know what? Maybe you're doing a really great business and who knows? I don't know you. You don't know me. Don't worry about this. This is what often happens. So VMRI, or actually look at these UHAC from 4 cents to 40 cents. UHAC. Let's take a look at this. United American Healthcare. Okay. Oh dear Lord. So it says that they went from 4 cents to 40 cents. Well, right now they're trading at 11 cents. Go figure. So let's see what happens here. Okay, I'm trying to zoom out here. Trying to zoom out to see. Yeah, and you see, very similar picture, right? Pump and dump. Pump and dump. You can do the same thing. You can quickly check it out. Trading penny stocks, in my opinion, is very risky. It is a spray and pray approach. You buy a lot of these penny stocks, and yes, of course, if one of them just explodes, if you catch the move before everybody dumps it, if you can sell on the way up, you got lucky. But most often, these penny stocks are subject to pump and dump schemes. And most of the time, regular investors are not being able to capitalize quickly, because you have seen they crash within a few days. I would say stay away from penny stocks. I mean, penny stocks, the idea sounds intriguing, but the odds are stacked against you. It is more likely that you're falling victim of one of the pump and dump schemes than you actually hitting it out of the park and really catching a move from 10 cents to $1 or from 40 cents to $4. It is extremely likely. So what should you do instead? You know me, the 3 things to do when it comes to trading is the 3 most important tasks for a trader is, first of all, find the right stock to trade. Secondly, know when to enter. And third, know when to exit. And knowing when to exit means exiting with a profit as well as a loss if it goes against you. So, talking about the best stock, what is the best stock to trade? The best stock to trade is a stock that has nice and small moves, because as a trader we can capitalize on these little moves, right, to the upside and the downside, and that's what we want to do. So a few examples. I want to show you quickly the software that I personally use, which is the PowerX Analyzer, and show you some examples here. So some of the stocks that I trade that come up for me when I'm using the scanner is here, for example, Wayfair, and you see nice moves to the upside, to the downside, to the upside, to the downside. As an investor, this might scare you away, because as an investor, you want a stock that starts on the lower left and goes all the way to the upper right. But as a trader, you're going to love these little moves. Here's another CRC. That's another great company that is going up and down and up and down. And as a trader, you can benefit from a stock that is going up as well as a stock that is going down. Another one that I just recently traded, CALX, moving really nicely. You see, again, it doesn't have to be much, but as long as it moves in these small waves, up and down and up and down. So this stock here, I entered right here before it took off at... see it actually here on the left hand side, 11.21. No, actually here way earlier at $9, and right now it is trading at 11.21. So as you can see, that's the beautiful thing. VSTO is a stock that I also traded just this week. VSTO is a stock that I was trading to the downside. And again, what are we looking for? Small swings to the upside and the downside and the upside. And this one I was trading to the downside, and as you can see, nicely making money on this. By the way, this VSTO is a stock that I traded live at one of the boot camps that I'm doing. We found this during one of the boot camps, and if you would like to know how to find these stocks, when exactly to enter and when to exit, then join us. One of the boot camps that we are doing all over the country. The website is bootcamp.rockwelltrading.com. When you go there to bootcamp.rockwelltrading.com, let me actually quickly do this here for you. When you go there, you'll see it's a free boot camp, and we're doing it all over the country. So we will be in Houston over the next few weeks, then Orlando, and after this, I believe that we are going back to California. So as you can see, there is definitely one that is coming close to you. These boot camps are free, so if you want to join us, feel free to do this. And now you know what penny stocks are, how to trade them, best not at all, okay? Also what to do instead. Looking for stocks that have these small moves. Hope this helps. Give me a thumbs up or leave a comment if this helps, if you found this helpful, and it would mean the world to me if you would subscribe either here on Facebook to see the notifications when I'm going live, or if you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell icon so that you're notified whenever I post a new video for you. Have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you very soon. Click on like and leave a comment and let me know what you think. And make sure to subscribe to this channel to get new videos automatically.